Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build your freelancing brand with Dribbble, full guide step by step clearly. To build your freelancing brand with Dribbble, start by creating an account. Visit the Dribbble website and click on the sign up button. Choose whether to sign up with your email or connect via social media. Fill in your personal details and create a strong password. Once your account is created, focus on completing your profile. Upload a professional profile picture that represents you well. Craft an engaging bio that highlights your skills and specialties. Add links to your portfolio or personal website for more visibility. Next, showcase your best work by uploading high-quality shots. Select pieces that demonstrate your unique style and range of skills. Ensure each shot includes detailed descriptions outlining your process. Utilize relevant tags to improve your discoverability on the platform. Engage with the Dribbble community by following other designers. Leave thoughtful comments on their work to build connections. Regularly like and share content to establish an active presence. Consider joining Dribbble's Pro membership for enhanced features. Use the platform to network with potential clients and other freelancers. Participate in design challenges to showcase your skills and creativity. Create a consistent posting schedule to keep your profile active. As your presence grows, consider reaching out for freelance opportunities. Maintain a professional tone in all interactions within the community. Monitor your account for messages and collaborate with other creatives. Stay updated with design trends and continually refine your portfolio. This approach will gradually establish your freelancing brand on Dribbble. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.